Oh God, let me go in here and act like I give a fuck and be fake for 8 motherfucking hours. God damn, bullshit.
Ayo, what up, family? It's your boy Fifth Dog 47, man, aka your friendly neighborhood, the GOAT. And we are back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download TikTok Live Studio, how to set up TikTok Live Studio for best quality result while streaming, and how to go live on TikTok. Yeah! With no further ado, let's just go ahead, man. First thing first you're gonna do, you're gonna jump to your favorite browser and just go to any browser that you prefer and type TikTok Live Studio, okay?
Okay.
And click enter. It's gonna bring you here to this page. The first page, that's where you're gonna click. I will leave the link in the video description below in case you're too lazy to type and shit.
I'm scared, but I'll tie the liver.
Then you're gonna click on download for Windows. This is our download right here on the top right corner. Okay, it's done downloading. Let's just go ahead and locate it. Download. Let's go. And here's our TikTok application installation.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
So you're gonna double click it. Let's wait for it to open. Then we're gonna click yes.
Yes.
Let's close this window and this one. This is our TikTok Live Studio installation program. So here, you can just go ahead and install now. Click install now. Then it's gonna go ahead and download everything.
Get him black. Get him black. Get him black. Get him black.
Money.
Fuck him up.
Right, it's done. We're gonna go ahead and open our application. This is the second step. We're gonna set up everything in TikTok for high quality streaming. Yeah! So let's just go ahead. I'll walk you through everything as quick as I can, okay?
Okay.
If you know how to tweak your settings, it's up to you. You can tweak them the way you want, okay?
Okay.
Since it's the first time logging in into TikTok Studio Live, you're gonna go ahead and log in to begin. You will see it will log in. Okay, as you can see, it says welcome FiveDog47. We're gonna set this thing as a new device. As I said, this is a guideline for beginners, or even if you are a professional but you forgot some of the settings, you're gonna go ahead and set up now. Of course, we're gonna go for gaming. General is up to you. So for me, as much as I've said, I'm a gaming content creator, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose gaming, showcase yourself playing video games. And here we go. It's testing my mic. I'm using this mic, okay?
Okay.
This is the mic that I'm using. There is no camera for now, so we're gonna go ahead and click next. It's gonna test our upload speed, all that kind of stuff. So let's just wait for it. This is not the final thing. This is just a guideline on a first time installation. I'll show you from the inside, okay?
Okay.
Let's say my upload speed is 123, which is good. Yeah, I'm using Ryzen 5 340G, which is good. Then I'm gonna go for quality priority because I want my stream to be,
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Okay, let's just go ahead and click OK. Yeah, this is where I want y'all to pay attention, okay?
Okay.
Let's just do this. Customize. Okay, we're gonna customize. First thing first, for resolution, we're gonna go for 1920 and 1080, okay?
Okay.
Resolution is the quality your stream is gonna stream on TikTok. And for refresh rate,
Cap.
we're gonna go for 60, which is frame rate per second.
It's a wow.
We don't want any glitching or anything like that. Then for the speed, I'm gonna go for 7. For you, you might go for 5, it's fine, but 4, upwards is recommended, okay? Then audio, I'm gonna go for 256. Then the encoder, I'm gonna go for the recommended one, which is NVIDIA H265. We all know that. Then we're gonna go ahead and click next. I like to do dual neon lights, of course. One more time. I'm gonna show you how it's done. What's happening here, ne? Let me just close this. Let me close it. Woo!
Fuck you, man.
My God, man. What the hell, bro? Yeah, like I was saying, this is where we wanna unselect everything. Okay. Okay, source. So, first thing first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add display. So, as much as you can see, I managed to cancel everything. I managed to cancel everything that I was doing there so that I can show you step by step how it's done. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click source, that plus button. Okay,
Okay.
then the first thing first, we're gonna search, we're gonna go for display capture. I want to record everything on my screen. Then I'm gonna add. Then I'm gonna choose the display, which is the monitor that I'm using. Then I'm gonna add source. Okay. Okay, of course. This is the regulations, the guidelines you have to follow when streaming. We got it. And we are on a dual thing, okay? Don't forget. We are on a dual. We are landscape and portrait. So we're gonna go ahead and click got it. This is the screen. On a portrait mode, it's on the left side. On a landscape mode, it's on this side. Second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add another source. This one, I will just go ahead and click alerts. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and click alerts. Just in case when I get a follow, when I get a message, all that kind of stuff, you know. Then I'm gonna add. Then here is where you test everything. As you can see, this is the preview button. Like if you want to see how it's gonna look like on the screen, you're just gonna go ahead and click here. This is the sound it's gonna play. Okay? This is the preview. Yeah, this is the preview. Then this one is a gift. When somebody is gifting you on the live, this is how it's gonna sound. Yeah, this is the preview. Of course, this is the preview for my bad. This one, when somebody subscribes, of course, when somebody subscribes on you, you will have what you call, what's this thing called? When you meet the requirement of TikTok for subscription, you understand? This is the sound is gonna play for me, but for you, you can just go ahead and browse on the whatever you wanna browse. But I'm choosing this one. Yeah, this is the subscription. So this is for the gift. In the preview, this is for a gift. This one is for the subscription. Okay, then I'm gonna add source. Yeah, this is the most important part. This part is where we want to put our notification bar. So here, this is a landscape mode. So I like to put my notification bar on the top right corner, which is here, and resize it just a little bit, not too much, okay? I want to make it 860 to 140, 1.4, I mean. So I'm going to take it and put it right here on the right corner. I want it to be cleaner, guys. So when it comes to portrait, I'm going to take my portrait and put it just right about here. And reduce the resolution to me just put in a middle and reduce the resolution. The resolution is supposed to be 507 by 387 on top. My bad. And just take it right here. Yeah. Screen? Yeah. I'm putting it on top of the screen. So lastly, this is optional. This one I'm adding is just optional. Okay? We're gonna add, it's just optional and text. Okay? And add, then we're gonna add source. We are not gonna add it on our landscape mode. Here's what we're gonna do. Before doing anything, just come to source and go to landscape and highlight this one and click right on your mouse and delete. But on portrait it will remain, and take it on top here. My bad, TikTok, yeah, I'll have to put it right there. Okay, just right about there. Let me just edit something real quick. I wanna see something. Yeah, I wanna see something. Okay, I'll come here and just do this. Okay. My bad. Let's see. It's fine. Many letters. 2, 4, okay. Yeah, I think it's fine right now. Then we're gonna apply. You see? This is nice, by the way. Follow and sub on the following: YouTube, Kick, Twitch, TikTok. Any platform that you wanna stream it or people you want them to follow you. Then for the last part is the streaming part. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. This is for the subscription. Never mind it. So we're gonna go live. Before we go live, it will ask us this. Okay. Make sure on your live you choose live info and go to gaming if you are a gamer, and just search any game that you are playing. But me, I don't like to specify the game. I just go ahead and say live now. Okay. Then I just warm welcome you to my live stream. Likes and follow and gifts will be appreciated. Don't forget, I follow you back when I end the live stream. Okay? Then this is where we have to be. This is the resolution that we need to set. But if you're still struggling, I'll go ahead and explain what it means. Let's just go to edit. On edit, you will click video quality, customize resolution 1080p, frame rate per second 60, video bit rate.
Yo, I'm kidding.
It has to be for 4,000 going upwards, meaning 4 megabyte upload speed per second. Okay, but me, I chose 7. Then audio bit rate, I like to go to the highest so that you can clearly hear me on the live stream. Encoder NVIDIA, which is the first option, by the way. Then when you scroll down, this is just for the, don't click anything here, okay? Just leave it like that and close. Then we're gonna test our live stream right now. Then we're gonna go live.
Yes.
Then this will have to appear. You see this logo right here? It says live right now. Everything is doing fine. There's no frame drops. CPU is fine. Memory is fine. Upload speed is fine. There's no frame drops. There's no, like, everything is working just fine, okay? What I love to do, I love to close it, because automatically when you close it, it will appear here. But if you want to see it during the game, you can just play your game on a windowed mode so that it can appear. But for me, this is a personal preference. This is the people who tuned into my live stream right now as we are doing the tutorial. Then I'm going to close it and go ahead. Let me show you the chat. I'm gonna greet myself, okay? I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna greet myself on the live right now. Okay. You see, it said, yo, Fifth Dog, this is me right here. So, this is just a tutorial on how you can go live on TikTok using TikTok Live Studio. Peace, family.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Pop, pop. Bing, bing, bing.